Go.
Man, you're lucky, son. Yo, fuck them niggas. Should I catch it anyway?
Go get that nigga.
Oh, fuck. That nigga's pussy. Fuck that nigga. He seen me.
Nigga's about to catch the junkies.
Nah, son, I had to get stuck now. So this nigga Yo, we off this, my nigga.
Look at you guys. I'm very tall.
I'm still tall.
I thought I was my phone.
Scared the shit out
The bird.
I was trying to catch him and you screamed.
So what happened? What happened?
Gabby screamed, but then the pigeon
Nah,
ran
nah,
away.
nah. What happened about the pigeon though? Like,
Nah,
what
Gabby
happened?
screamed and it ran away.
Nigga was pussy.
Yeah, hell yeah, my nigga. I know.
He's like, he knew you was about to try to catch a case, nigga.
Yo, son, you knew what it was. The phone knew what it was, son.
Good ass. Hi, babe.
I'm just trying to find. I'm just trying to catch me a bird.
You have a lot of those in your school.
You know what I got in my school?
That ass.